and welcome to today's video. As you can see by the title, this is the last video of the BTS series Dress Like BTS. If you haven't seen my previous videos, I'm gonna link them down below so you can check them out. If you're familiar with Suga's clothing style, apart from the photo shoots and the music videos that they film, then you can probably agree with me that he dresses very casual, very neutral and comfortable. So the first thing I'm going to show you is shirts. He mostly wears oversized t-shirts that are a bit longer. They can be short sleeve or long sleeve and mostly in the colors black and white. The first item that I'm going to show you is this long, very baggy short sleeve from H&M. Yes, it's the perfect cut and fit. What I like most is that it is just two pieces of fabric sewn together, so there is no visible sleeve line. That's amazing. The next oversized piece is this long sleeve. It's kind of cream colored. I got it in the men's section because they have amazing oversized shirts, and it's also from H&M. Now I have a black long sleeve. It's from Yes Style and it is very long as well. And the last long sleeve is also from H&M and it's not that long. It's perfect if you want to tuck it into your pants or wear something on top of it, so it isn't too bulky. Occasionally he will also go for something with a little pop of color, and this is mostly checked shirts like this one. I thrifted it, so I can't tell you where it's from. I lied, I actually can. Label of graded goods by H&M. Oh, I didn't know. It's H&M as well. The fabric is a little thicker, so it could also be worn like a light jacket. And he sometimes wears turtlenecks, and when he does, he pairs it with one of the oversized shirts that I just showed you. And for this one, I have one from Yes Style. It's a little thicker. I would recommend wearing something thinner, but I didn't have anything else in a brighter color. On its own, it's perfect as well, so. Now for the pants also, he usually goes for something a little more neutral, not that fancy. And the first thing I'm going to show you is my pair of black jeans. They used to be skinny jeans. They aren't skinny anymore because I've had them for like 5-6 years. And I use them with a belt because it's too loose on the waist. Not that smart. Next I have two pairs of sports pants, like track pants. Is that what you call them? I should do a little more research on the actual terminology of things. That's pretty bad. I'm so sorry if I just end up showing stuff randomly. I will do better next time. So I have this pair of pants from Adidas. Adidas? Can someone let me know in the comments what these are actually called, how it's pronounced? Because I always hear different things and I never know what's right. Here in Switzerland we say Adidas. I'm so happy that I never got rid of these because I've had them for the longest time and never really wore them, apart from when I went to play tennis. And now I paired them with one of the oversized t-shirts I'm going to show you later. And I love how they look. It goes really well together, so I'm happy I kept them. And now this pair of track pants that I absolutely love. I've had them for the longest time. They also don't fit like leggings anymore. They used to fit like leggings when I first bought them. And they also have a few holes where you can't really see them. So I guess I will wear them until they fall apart because I love them so much. And for blue jeans, if Suga wears them, then they probably have holes in them. And I can't blame him because I love some good ripped jeans. I have this pair that I made for my video about Jungkook's ripped jeans. I'm gonna link it up here in case you want to see it. I've had these for like 2 years now and I absolutely love them. Next we have shoes, and Suga often wears sneakers, colorful Nike sneakers, Balenciagas, or more comfortable and casual sneakers. The first pair I'm going to show you is this pair of sneakers from Yes Style, and they look very similar to the pair of sneakers he wore once at the airport. Then I have the super chunky sneakers. They're so big and chunky, I can barely hold them. They are from 80s. It's one of my favorite brands and I got these recently. They were kind of my gift for finishing my bachelor, even though I don't know if I passed everything, but I just needed a way to kind of reward myself for the stress for the past 3 years. And they were on sale, otherwise they would have been too expensive. They are this pretty cream color. And I also have a pair of Vans because in some older pictures you can see him wear Vans. I haven't seen him wear Vans recently. And when I say recently, I mean 2019, because 2020 there were pretty much no airport pictures. Apart from sneakers, he's also been seen wearing sandals. So I have this pair of mine. They are my favorite sandals. They are very pretty. Just look at them. This is one of the main things that I'm gonna take away from this video and try to incorporate more in my daily fashion. That he wears sandals with looks that don't look like you would wear them with sandals. For example, with jeans and an oversized jumper or sweater. Sandals look pretty cute with that look, so that's what I'm gonna do more often. Now on to accessories. He doesn't wear a lot of accessories like bags or sunglasses, but he does wear a lot of hats. So I have different hats here. The first one is a black bucket hat because he wears them a lot. The second accessory he wears a lot is caps, so I have this black one. He sometimes has something at the front. I don't, so it's just plain, but it goes pretty well with the outfit that he wears. And the last accessory that he wears a lot is beanies, and I have this one. It's a little bigger than normal beanies. It has a lot going on, and it will be big on your head. So it's cute. Now that I've shown you the different clothing items and accessories, I'm gonna show you a few outfits that I put together with all of these clothes, and I hope that you enjoy. This is it for today's video. I hope that it inspired you to try something new in your own style, and I wish you a great week and see you in my next video. Bye!